is here.
Dog, don't film my car, dog. It's not even clean, dog. I haven't even washed my car in like 6 weeks, dog. I haven't been home, family.
What perfume? Are you wearing perfume?
No.
You never wear perfume. Show Snapchat. Normie, sit. Sit, Normie. Wow. Oh! You guys got no fur. Come on. Normie, come here. Aww. Yeah. This is my whole little dog section for them. I have all their organic treats and bones. Their leashes and toys. Are you guys spoiled? Got your hoodie on? Crazy? Ernie, your bed is right there. Let's see if they follow me. They follow me everywhere. Ernie, do you feel like the odd one out? Do you need a girlfriend like Norman has Bambi?
Hey girl. Hey girl, what's up, girl?
It's such a pretty day out today. Did you guys miss me on Snapchat? Me and Harry found little ponies. Me and Harry found little ponies. Hey, little ponies. Hey. Jordan would be just so jealous right now. Oh, they have blue eyes. Hi. Follow you on Snapchat. This is insane. Hey. I know you said you'd rather have people ask you questions. I don't know what to ask you. I'm like, oh, snap. Oh, whoa.
Shit. Okay.